this you just have to watch from start to the end. Find a time when you can actually spare. Find a spare time. Watch from start till the end, and you can see how the worm try to squiggle out of their lives. I tell you, Piers Morgan is classic lah. He really nailed them, nak tipu nak tipu konon, niat orang bodoh. Last kali tak boleh terkangkang in front of TV. Ayo, malu lah. And then after that dapat pula siapa ni, Hamas murtad ni, seorang ni, and start going on ad hominem, bantai. Go hit under the belt. Pasal tak boleh jawab. So to me, cakap merepek, kena caught a few times, marah. I tell you, ni lah Israel, pathetic to the core.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.